Hello, emotionally intelligent ones. What if this year could be your most productive year yet? Not because you rushed or stressed out, but because you lived with purpose, focus, and intention. Today, we are learning how to make this year a year of meaningful productivity. What does productivity really mean? When you are productive, you are completing tasks that need to be done using the most maximum effort with minimal waste and creating excellent finished work. Productivity is not really about doing a lot of things. It is about using your time, energy, and talent wisely, doing important things that help you grow, learn, and achieve your goals well. And it is not about just being busy, but choosing and doing the work, habits, and goals that move your life forward. Let's explore together these 6 things that will help you make this year your most productive year ever. Number 6, start with purpose, not trends or pressure. Before you jump into your goals, start with the why, because purpose gives direction, resilience, and helps you become more productive. For a productive year, start with asking yourself, what kind of person do I want to become this year? What goals do I want to achieve and why? And you should definitely be moving from what should I do to why am I doing this? Number 5, manage your time with intention. We all have 24 hours each day, but how productive we are and the quality of our work and results is dependent on how we use our time. Time is an important gift and productive people recognize that. Make sure you plan your time in advance instead of reacting to things as they happen, because when you don't plan, distractions will plan your time for you. Make sure you plan your time in a way that ensures you do productive work, rest, learn, engage in recreation, enjoy yourself, and help others. This way, you will be in a continual flow of high productivity and high recovery. Number 4, do small things consistently. The beauty of productivity lies in consistency. You really can't change your life in one day. The big results you so desire won't come at a go. Instead, they will come from small actions done again and again. So this year, identify things you need to do to achieve your goals and do them daily, weekly, and consistently in order to get the results you want. Number 3, adopt the right mindset. Like we discussed in videos 43 and 42, your mindset determines the course of your lives, how far you go, and there are some mindsets that keep you stuck and others help you grow. Go watch videos 42 and 43 again as refreshers on mindsets. To be productive, adopt the mindset that reminds you that mistakes are a part of learning, your efforts matter more than perfection, and that you can always improve. Productive people do not have the mindset of waiting till they feel ready or have things all figured out before they do things that need to be done. Instead, they start and they grow along the way. Number 2, productive people record, because when you write things down, your brain takes them seriously. So make it a habit to journal, write down your goals and reflection, what you are learning, what has worked, what hasn't yet. Keeping record makes it easy to put what's important in the front burner of your mind. It also makes it easier to review, adjust, and to learn again. As we go into number 1, please take a moment to subscribe to this channel. Number 1, productive people are disciplined. To be productive, you need to respect yourself and your goals. And no matter how you feel, get up and show up for yourself and your goals. Motivation is great, but on days when you don't feel like it, even after adequate rest, you have to lean on discipline to help you stay committed. Dear emotionally intelligent ones, don't just get busy this year. Be intentional, choose purpose, focus, and effort. Choose to be productive. Thank you for watching this video. Please like it, put your thoughts in the comments, share with everybody you love, and watch other videos in this playlist for your learning and enjoyment. Thank you for watching again. See you in the next one. Bye.